I have 2 crochet this is why I edit. Glitter is always the answer. It's a short month, but I am going to get it done this month somehow. Haven't really decided how yet, but I will. Protect your chickens. Hello. Welcome to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. A Spoonie is someone with a chronic condition, and a stitcher is someone who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity, creations, collecting, and crochet, obviously. Anything that makes your creative juices start to flow, that's what we're all about on this channel. So if that sounds good to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. We just lost power, so everything just turned back on, and my printer's going. Are you done? Okay. What? It's been really chaotic over here this morning. Yeah, a lot of stuff is happening. We're gonna have some fun today. This is just a vlog, but I was contacted by a friend to share their news because they are taking a hiatus from YouTube. So I'm gonna share that first, and then we will get into the fun stuff, okay? A lot of you are subscribers to both my channel and Teresa at Critters Crochet, and if you're not, please subscribe to Critters Crochet. She is wonderful. She is a great crochet teacher. She does all kinds of fun things on her channel. Her channel is just a lot of fun. If you think I'm fun, she's double the fun, okay? So go over there and subscribe. I will link her channel down below. Saturday night, she contacted me to start praying because her son was being rushed to the ER. He lives in a different city than she does, so she was rushing to get there as well. He didn't make it. So he has gone to be with Jesus. And she needs some time. She needs some time, which I'm sure you understand. And we are going to give that to her. Now, obviously, if you want to send your condolences and everything, that's very, very sweet. But she does not need to be bombarded with a million messages right now. So I've made a post on my channel, which you are welcome to comment under. And she will see it when she can, okay? Please subscribe to her channel. Don't let her channel flounder. Please keep sharing her videos and everything. We want to keep her channel alive and booming so that YouTube doesn't stop pushing her content. She really wants to get to 3,000 by the end of this year. Let's give it to her. Tell everyone you know. Share her videos, like her videos, comment. If you've already watched a video, go back and leave a comment because it really helps the algorithm. When we comment, share, like, subscribe, obviously. Watch her shorts. Watch the shorts we did together. They're silly. Please keep her channel alive. And definitely keep her family in your thoughts and prayers. Okay? All right. Tink Peel Club is starting this week. It will be just me for a while. And that's okay. It's just a chill club. So we're going to keep it going. Our deal was when somebody couldn't make it, the other one took over. Well, looks like I'm stepping up to the plate. The only thing that might get in the way of that is I have been having some excruciating pain physically. And if I have pain, there will be no club. So, yeah. You don't want me there. Get ready for Tink Peel Lives, which for now is just Peel. Hi. We're just gonna grab our projects and we're gonna crochet and we're gonna chill and we're gonna relax and y'all can ask me questions or whatever. Well, today is Groundhog Day! Happy Groundhog Day! Look, I haven't seen the weather yet today, but I'm pretty sure Punxsutawney Phil saw his shadow. I think we're getting 6 more weeks of winter. That's just me, but I think we're getting 6 more weeks. So yeah. I do have some really happy news to share. I'm so excited to share this. My friend, whom I have known since we were children, she's having another baby. And it's a girl. This will be her 3rd girl. Oh. She's the best mom. She is the best mom. And I'm so happy for her. I have to think of a new nickname for her new kid. But yes, she is having a little girl. And so I am very excited to use this book that I got for my birthday last year. This is the Mama Made Minis Naughty Lovies. And oh my goodness. I mean, how cute are these? So I don't know which one to make. I have no idea which one I'm gonna make, but I've got some time and I'm so excited to make baby stuff again. I also have to make baby's first Christmas ornament because every single girl she's had, I have made, well, she only has 2 children right now. Every single child she's had, I have made a baby's first Christmas ornament for her. And so I gotta think what to do for this one. I don't know. If you have any ideas on what I can do for a baby's first Christmas ornament, please leave them down below. I'm super curious. That's one friend. And then my other friend is having a baby this month. I knew about it, but I forgot about it. So I guess I'm making 2 of these. I don't want to make a blanket or clothes or anything because the mom, my friend, she crochets, so she can crochet all of that stuff. She can do the amigurumi too, but she doesn't like to do it as often. So I can do the amigurumi. So, yay! So yeah, I get to use my book, which is pretty exciting. And yeah, I'm excited. You know, new life in the world. So cute. Yes. Obviously, I am not sharing any photos on here. I do not believe in showing children's photos to the internet. It is very dangerous. I worked with cybercrime for a while and I can't tell you how dangerous that is. So until your child gets to a certain age, please don't share their photo on the internet. Thank you. Okay, there's your PSA for today. I ordered from Twice Sheared Cheap. Yes, I ordered this all with my own money because I couldn't help it. Some of their new stuff that came out for their shop, I needed to. So yeah. So I got my package. Okay. Any of you ordered from Twice Sheared Cheap yet? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Now you want to pay attention to this because they could end up in a giveaway. You never know. First of all, I got more of the little bobbins. This time, this is the yarn bobbins. This time I got the sheep. They're so cute. I got 3 yarn gators. I got the sparkly one, another sparkly one, and I had to, it's my favorite color, they made a turquoise one. So if you're new here, the yarn gator clips onto your bag and it separates your yarn while you work in a project bag. So I have a video all about it on my channel. It's a short. I also made a video that I'll link below that's how to use all of these things, all of the new stuff in their shop. So I'll link that down below if you haven't seen it. And then of course my affiliate link is linked down below if you would like to try one of these. So yeah. They make it in turquoise, white, and glitter. And surprisingly, the glitter is the least number sold. Like, people don't want glitter right now, I guess. Glitter is always the answer. Finally! For my project journal, they sell project journals, I finally got the little sleeves to hold my doodle deck. Doodle deck are those little cards where you can make basically your own little intarsia pattern. And so, yeah, I finally got some for my doodle deck. Yay. You know, you line these up and you can pick your own colors and decide your own things. But if you don't like making all those decisions, they have a kit. They have a kit with yarn and the pattern and everything, and you can make this gorgeous cowl by Pacific Knit Co. and Twice Sheared Sheep. Isn't that neat? I'll link it down below. And then last but not least, I got another Dawn's Handy Reference Guide, where there's like a million charts in here. there is needle and hook conversion chart, yarn weights chart, recommended needle and gauge chart, wraps per inch chart, yarny internet slang, pattern abbreviations, crochet chart symbols, knit chart symbols, yarn requirement estimates, yarn care symbols, body measurements for baby, child, teen, women, and men, head measurements for all of those, foot measurements for all of those, references and additional resources in one handy book. Put this in your project bag and you're always ready to go. So I bought another one. Why do I need two? Yeah, keep your eye out. Whew. Okay, so this week I am working on my Zootopia video next week. The Mellick Adventures by Ben and Danielle Mellick. They host a Disney collaboration, and I love participating in their Disney collaborations. That is where they give us a Disney movie or TV show or whatever Disney related, and that's our theme. And we can do whatever we want. We can make a craft, we can do food, we can talk about behind the scenes, we can do anything we want with that theme. And so it was Zootopia. I couldn't say no. Zootopia is one of my favorite Disney movies. I don't think it got enough love when it first came out. I think more people are getting love for it now because of the second movie, which was also really good. Just thought I'd tell you. But I love it. Well, one of you lovely subscribers got me the Zootopia crochet kit. I forgot to bring it downstairs, but I do have it. And thank you so much. Shout out to Cynthia. Thank you so much. And I will be reviewing that kit. Not in that video because the Disney community doesn't always want to watch crochet videos and the crochet community doesn't want to always watch Disney videos, you know. So I will be reviewing that kit this month. It's a short month, but I am going to get it done this month somehow. Haven't really decided how yet, but I will. And I have made another project for my actual Zootopia video. So, also we'll throw in some fun facts and behind the scenes and stuff like that since y'all love that. So, but it'll be a really fun video, and of course I won't be the only one participating in that video, so please make sure you go to the description box down below in that video and see who else is participating. Yeah. So that's next week. Also next week is Spooky Stitching with Andy, the Crafty Witch, on Friday the 13th. Protect your chickens. Yes, we are doing Bloody Valentine as our theme for our live stream. If you don't know what Spooky Stitching is, it's where Andy, the Crafty Witch, and I get on a live stream and we have a spooky theme that we try to crochet to, and we just crochet on the live with pretty much no plan, and we'll just see what happens. Please tune in at 8 Central, 9 Eastern on Friday the 13th. I'm not making too many, precise plans on here because my body's unpredictable. This is what I live with. I never know what's going to happen, so yeah. I have 2 crochet... This is why I edit. I have 2 crochet hook sets, there we go, that I am going to review. I also have my Crochet World magazine that I will do a flip through of, and hopefully that will be this month. This month is going to be kind of weird. I have a plan, but I don't have a plan. I bought a couple of craft kits that I want to try. We might do that. I don't know. So yeah, there is some exciting news though. This month is my podiversary. Yay! Yes, my podiversary for YouTube, and I'm going to do a live Q&A. So that'll be fun. That'll be probably next week. I might do that instead of a video next week. I don't know. Oh my goodness, that'll be 3 lives next week. Maybe it won't be next week. Maybe it'll be the week after. I don't know if I want to do 3 lives in 1 week. It will be in February. That's all you need to know. Lastly, Mom and I are working on the Toxic Tea video. It is coming. We just want to make sure we get you all the information we can, okay? So, just so you know, we're trying to get all the information we can out there and give you options of what to drink instead. So, yeah, it is coming. It is happening. Just give me some time, y'all. It's been quite a whirlwind. And then this weekend knocked me for a loop. So I am going to do my best to give you videos every week. I'm going to do my best to go live every week. But please understand my body is what my body is, and that may not be possible. So thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it. Down below, tell me if you think Punxsutawney Phil will see his shadow. I think we're getting 6 more weeks of winter. What do you think? Let me know down below. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.